Major General Hernia at Major General Cariaga. Sinabi pa ng General, hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon ng mayroong na-relieve na mataas na opisyal dahil sa command responsibility.
There are two options po na available po sa isang commanders. One is putting those PNP personnel under investigation, under restrictive custody, or pinasa ilalim po sila under administrative relief. Ito po yung nangyari po kay Major General Hernia at Major General Cariaga. They were administratively relieved for 10 days.
Isa sa sinisilip ng PNP na pagkakamali ay ang ginawang pangingialam ng 3 pulis sa CCTV camera sa loob ng sinalakay na gusali.
For the record, we are not happy doon sa ginawa ng mga pulis natin. Regardless kung sinasabi nilang nainitan sila doon, there was no ventilation, they have no right to alter the focus po ng CCTV. Any evidence for that matter, whether it's an object evidence or gadget evidence, even the CCTV, who is very, very material in terms of investigation, ay wala pong kakapatan ang sino man pong police officer na i-alter po yun.
Sakaling matapos ang investigasyon at mapatunayang walang naging kapabayaan, si Major General Hernia at Major General Cariaga ay maaari silang makabalik sa pwesto. Maaari din aniyang ma-extend sakaling hindi matapos sa loob ng 10 araw ang isinasagawang investigasyon.
Let me reiterate though na ito pong administrative relief ng 2 senior officer, it's not a form of punishment at malinaw po yan sa mga existing policy po ng PNP. Ginagawa lang po natin itong administrative relief to give way doon po sa investigation para bigyang linaw itong mga issues that crop up during the police operation.
Sa kabila nito, nanindigan ng PNP na lehitimo at legal ang operasyon ng pulisya sa ika-23 palapag ng Century Peak Tower.
Pinaninindigan po ng PNP na wala pong mali doon sa naging police operation. The police operation was conducted under the premise of an implementation of a cyber warrant duly issued by RTC Manila. But however, during the implementation po ng cyber warrant, there were again operational related issues that were raised by the subject of the police operation, particularly the alleged tampering of the CCTV camera by PNP personnel.
Nagpaliwanag din ng PNP kung bakit bukod sa 23rd floor ay pinasok din ng mga pulis ang 32nd floor ng gusali.
During the implementation po ng service of warrant, meron pong lumapit doon sa operating unit natin, particularly doon po sa NCRPO, claiming na yung kanyang live-in partner who happens to be a Chinese national is being held against his will doon po sa isang unit po doon, particularly doon po sa 32nd floor. That prompted the operating unit ng NCRPO na i-check po yun at to coordinate doon sa security managers po nitong Century Peak Tower. And true enough, pagpunta po nila doon, nung pinabuksan po ng security personnel po ng Century Peak, it turned out may 5 pong Chinese national na nasa loob po nitong isang unit at visibly, based sa kanilang physical appearance, are victims of physical abuse and torture.
Sinalakay ng mga pulis ang nasabing palapag ng naturang gusali dahil sa report ng umano'y love at cryptocurrency scam. Si Major General Hernia ay pinilitan sa pwesto ni Deputy Regional Director for Administration, Brigadier General Reynaldo Tamundong, habang si Major General Cariaga naman ay pinalitan ni Deputy Chief for Administration, Police Colonel Vina Guzman. Leia Ilagan, UNT.